In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Java with controller on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I'm able to play Minecraft Java Edition with a controller on PC. Now, as you might be aware, this isn't something that you will be able to do natively. Sadly, for whatever reason, unlike Bedrock, Java Edition does not have native support for controllers. So, for this to work, you will need to download a mod. I'm going to teach you how to acquire that mod, and you will be able to play Java Edition using a controller. So first, you will need to download Forge. So open a web browser and go over to the Forge website. You will be able to find Forge at this website, files.minecraftforge.net, not net, or simply look for Forge on Google. Now, in here, you will be able to download the launcher for whichever version of the game you have. Usually, 1.20 is going to be recommended. Next, you will need to download this mod, Controllable, for Forge. There are other mods that allow controllers to be used with Minecraft, but this is the one that I recommend. So look for Controllable. In here, click on Files, and you will be able to choose the mod for your version of the game. So they have it up to 1.20.1. When you download Forge and this file here, you will be able to install it by dropping it in the mods folder. So go over to appdata.minecraft, access the mods folder, and drag and drop the jar file that you acquired from CurseForge. With this done, you can open the game, and as long as you installed it properly, you will be able to use your controller. It is going to appear over here on the list, and you are able to move around and do all sorts of actions using your controller. Any controller is going to work as long as it is being picked up by your computer. So I have a generic Xbox 360 controller, and it is fully compatible. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Java Edition with controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.